This week I'm testing the BMW M240i Coupe. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the BMW M240i Coupe, there are Isofix in the two rear seats and top tether anchorages on the parcel shelf behind the headrests too. Now they're all really nice and easy to access because there's actually quite a lot of interior space in here. Now I've actually had the rear facing Attain More in here this week, and I've just climbed into the back with my little one and popped her in, because although she's old enough to go forward facing, when I turn her forward facing she screams the whole time. So I've kept her rear facing, and we found that we could actually get about a 175 centimetre passenger in front of it. Now you could easily put a forward facing child seat here and fit a 180 centimetre passenger in front. We found it really nice and comfortable having the two Infosecure child seats in the back here. We've got the Aspire More and the Attain More. Legroom's been good, and there's lots of interior space, so everyone's been really nice and comfortable. To find out more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the M240i is surprisingly good. In the central console there are two cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and in front of them is a wireless phone charging pad as well. And you've also got a USB socket there too. Now the central console box is a nice size, and the glove box too, which will fit a iPad and wallet in there with the manual. The door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. In the back there are two cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and underneath them is a little plastic tray good for storing a phone. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, which are great for keeping little passengers comfortable while you're driving along. And there's two USB-C sockets there too for connecting rear devices. The boot door of the M240i opens really nice and easily and manually. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty, it will hold 11 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 2 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 4 shopping bags, a single pram and 4 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags. You can't put any dogs in the boot because there's a fixed parcel shelf.
The BMW M240i is a fantastic car to drive. I think it's my favourite thing about it. Now, visibility is really good in here. Even though it's a coupe, you can see really nicely out of the back even when you've got two child seats on board, and the cameras are so good that they are like eyes all around the vehicle anyway. It's got a really nice tight turning circle, which makes parking and manoeuvring really nice and easy around town. And the drive is so good. You can slip it into sports mode and have a bit of fun once you've dropped the kids off, or it's really nice and comfortable even when you're carrying little ones in the back. There's been no travel sickness and no complaints from my family this week. The media system in the BMW M240i is really nice and easy to navigate and to use, and it's got lots of good features in there like the weather and things like that. Now within here you can go in and change the settings, all sorts of things like the driver assistance and things like that. They've also got controls down in the central console too. It does have Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, that camera image is really beautiful and clear. You've got all different angles that you can look at it from, and also you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the BMW M240i Coupe, it's actually a fantastic baby drive, and if you're trying to get this over the line, then I think you definitely can. You can fit those 2 child seats really nicely in the back. The boot space is really good, and there's just a surprising amount of space in this car, which makes it really comfortable to use with a family. The media system is really good, and that drive is fantastic.